some have lost their lives, the environment has been damaged, and that standards have not been as high as we would wanted them to have been historically. We therefore take every event, every action seriously. We investigate every event, and it is our obligation, our commitment to this community to ensure that we investigate, we review, but also that we redress and provide the support that this community needs and demands from us. That relationship is one that we take incredibly seriously, and you have both my commitment, you have the Chief of the General Staff, the head of the British Army, you've had his commitment that we will continue to abide by that obligation to this community, with whom and in whom we are lucky to live and work. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Nice. Get your back into it. Good work.
Then if you open, and then we'll go in. And then we'll go in. Yeah? Exactly right.
Have you been down here teaching drills?
I have. They were out here yesterday. The guardsmen and me was so thrilled. I mean, they were sort of marching on the spot.
Good. Oh, they're a great team.
Yes, yes. Stressors which we put up, and then the CGI, and then